Today we are making fruit cobbler, a very tasty American dessert. So basically cobbler is a crisp and tender top crust with jammy fruit filling at bottom. So the topping will be like cream biscuit, crispy from outer side and soft from inside. So we are making fruit filling first. So ingredients required are some chopped strawberries, grapes chopped, raspberries and blueberries. So I am using these fruits, but you can use any type of fruit, and you can have fresh or frozen one. Just de-seed them and wash them and cut them. Now we need some fresh lemon juice, cinnamon, spice. So these two are optional. If you want, you can use it or you can skip this. Spoon all-purpose flour. So I am using all-purpose flour to give to create a sauce from fruit juice. So but this is also optional. If you don't want, you can skip this as well. And yes, last thing, if you want, you can add sugar if your fruits are not sweet, and if you like little bit sweeter, you can add sugar as well. Start. Take a bowl, add all the fruits in it, add all-purpose flour, some lemon juice, and I'm adding cinnamon as well. Not much. Its flavor is too strong. Now mix them. Fruit mixture is ready, and yes, meanwhile preheat oven at 375 Fahrenheit and grease the baking tray using butter. This dessert preparation time is very less, but yeah, we need to bake it for at least 40 to 50 minutes. Pour our fruit mixture in it. Spread them. Now we will prepare the topping. Ingredients required are all-purpose flour, sugar, I am using cane sugar, a pinch of baking soda, pinch of sea salt, and heavy cream. So for this I am using same bowl. Now mix all the dried ingredients. Baking soda, sugar, and some salt. Mix them. You can add vanilla extract as well, but I am not using that. Dry ingredients are mixed. Now add cream in it and mix them nicely. So our mixture will be little wet, so we need that structure only, not the tight or super runny. If required, you can add more cream or normal milk. Our mixture is ready. Scoop this over our fruit filling using ice cream scoop or spoon. You can use. Now bake this for 40 to 45 minutes minimum. Our cobbler is ready. So let it cool down for 5-10 minutes before serving, and you can add topping like whipped cream, or some ice cream with some hot chocolate sauce and over it. So hope you guys like my video. Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.